In this video, we're talking about algebraic terms, coefficient of algebraic terms, and solving word problems. This is a continuation of our open sentence, so I call this open sentences 2, where we'll be learning algebraic terms, coefficient of algebraic terms, and solving word problems. So in this video, you will be able to 1. Understand algebraic terms, 2. Identify the coefficient of algebraic terms, then 3. Solve word problems. So, what are algebraic terms? Algebraic terms are made up of unknown terms and numbers. E.g., I have 3q, 4x, 2 over 3k. Can you see? It's made up of what? Unknown numbers, which is unknown terms and numbers. 3 is a number and q is unknown. You can say that it's a mixture of numbers and unknown terms such as q, x, k. So our known terms are q, x, and k. So also note that the unknown terms are called variables. Can you see that? So you should not forget this. Or the unknown terms are called what? Variables. So variables in the above examples are what? Q, x, and k. Why? Because our unknown terms are called variables. So our variables in those examples are q, x, and k because they are unknown letters. Also, the numbers multiplying the variables are called coefficients. What did I say? The numbers multiplying the variables are called coefficients. And don't forget I said my variables are the unknown. So what are the numbers multiplying my variables? So the coefficients in the above are 3, 4, and 2 over 3 because they are all multiplying variables. Did you understand this explanation clearly? Okay, let's look at the following examples. Example 1. Identify the variables in these algebraic terms. So I have 1, 2x, 2, 4p, 3, 1 over 3k. So recall that I told you my variables are the unknown terms. So solution. For 2x, my variable here is what? X, because it is unknown term. Number 2, 4p. My variable here is what? P. Number 3, 1 over 3k. My variable here is what? K. I hope you understand that now. Example 2. Identify the coefficients in these algebraic terms. Recall also that I said my coefficients are the numbers multiplying the variables. So in this sense, what are the coefficients of 4d, 0.5x, and 1 over 2k? Solution. So I have 4d. What is the coefficient of 4d? The coefficient of 4d is 4 because it is multiplying the variable. Number 2, the coefficient of 0.5x is what? 0.5. And the coefficient of 1 over 2k is what? 1 over 2. Can you see? It is very, very simple and easy. So let's move on to solving word problems. So what do I mean by word problems? So word problems are expressed in algebraic terms. That is, you can express your word problems in algebraic terms. Let's express the following in algebraic terms and solve it. Number 1, it says when x is added to 2, the answer gives 6. Find x. How do we express this? Here we must carefully read the sentence with understanding. So let's read again. It said when x is added to 2, the answer gives 6. In other words, it means x plus 2 will give what? Is equal to 6. That is just it. So solving this further, how do we solve it? Yeah, note the first thing you do is we separate the variable from the numbers. The variable either must be at the right or left hand side, or the number either to the right or to the left also. Also, note this: when a plus sign crosses over the equal to sign, it must change to minus sign. Also, when a minus sign crosses over the equal to sign, it must change to plus sign. So here, our number will go to the right and our variable to the left. So we have it to be x equals to, our plus 2 is crossing over to meet 6. And I said when a plus sign is crossing over the equal to sign, it changes to minus. So our plus here will not change to minus. So I have x equals to 6 minus 2. So here x equals to 4. Example 2. In a basket containing 10 oranges, Tola removed x number of oranges and 4 oranges are left in the basket. How many oranges did Tola remove? Let's read again. In a basket of 10 oranges, I have 10. I write my 10 down. Tola removed x number of oranges. So I have minus x. That means it's removing from it. And I have 4 left. So when I count the answer, it gives me 4. So 10 minus x equals to what? 4. So recall that I said you must separate the variable numbers from the numbers also. So the variable either must be to the right or to the left side. Also, the number must be either to the right or to the left also. So also here, recall that when a plus sign crosses over the equal to sign, it must change to what? Negative sign, which is minus sign. And when a minus sign crosses over the equal to sign, it must change to plus sign. So here, our variable will go to the right and our number to the left. So solving this, I have 10 minus 4 equals to x. So here 10 minus x equals to what? 4. So our x is going to the right and our 4 is coming back to the left. So, and I said when a minus sign crosses over the equal to sign, it changes to plus. So when our x is crossing to the right hand side, it will change to what? Plus. So I have it as plus x, which is same thing as x. So our 4 also is crossing from the right to the left over the equal to sign. You can see that our 4 is a positive number, which is a positive integer. So we are going to change it to minus, because when it crosses over the equal to sign, it will change to minus. So I have 10 minus 4 equals to x. So here 10 minus 4 will give me 6, which is equals to x. So here x is equal to 6. So Tola removed 6 oranges from the basket.